So let me let you in my little secret. For the past couple of days now, there's this platform I've been working with. And currently, what you are seeing on the screen right now is how much I've made so far. Now, if this platform is actually paying, I don't really know. If it's legit, I don't know. I guess there's only one way to find out. Now, I say I want to just try this platform out myself. I want to actually document the whole process while actually showing you if it actually pays or not, so that you don't just waste your time in one of those make money online platforms, because they are because trust me, there are dozens of them out there, and I've been a victim once, and I don't want you to fall for the same thing. So in this video, here's what you are going to do. First of all, I'm going to take you to the platform, then I'm going to show you what the platform is really about, and also you are going to see me live placing withdrawal. Okay, currently I have close to 154,000 naira on this platform, and I hope it's actually pays me, because I am going to be very, very happy. So without further ado, let me take you straight into the platform. So first of all, this is the name of the platform. This is the interface, the dashboard. The name of the platform is called Bunny Band. So as you can see, currently I have around 154,779 naira currently here. So this is my dashboard right now, and this is how much I've made so far. Now there are other ways you can earn from this platform. It can be you referring people. That means you get people to sign up to the platform through your link, or you complete taxes. You complete tax, right? You complete some tax. Maybe the tax can be like for you to you come in. Now the task can be you actually watching a video, or you trying some games out, or you taking surveys, right? Now I don't have time to take surveys. I don't have time to test any app, so I'll just go through the easiest way, which is for me to bring in more things. Now, according to this app, if the app actually works, I'm going to be happy. The best part about this is that per person you bring, the app is going to pay you 6,000 naira, right, for one person that you bring. But if you are going through the route of completing tax, for every tax you complete, you are going to be paid 2,691 naira, right, for every tax that you complete. But for me, I don't have time to complete tax. I just really want to make everything fast, so that I'll be able to know if this platform really works. Now, in terms of getting people to sign up to your link, I won't recommend you run a Facebook ad. I won't recommend you spend money on any make money online platform that you are not sure of. Do not spend money, because that's going to be one of the easiest way for you to get scammed. Trust me, I've been scammed before. Although it wasn't that big, I was, shy use your head, you understand? Now, I went through the route of referring people. It was easy for me to refer people because I went through my WhatsApp contact list. So I got to from my WhatsApp contact list. I have a couple of friends there that actually know that I try to convince, and luckily for me, they actually just tried it out, even though most of them were complaining that they've worked with platform that promises to pay in the past and later flopped, right? If it works out for me, fine, it's going to work out for you automatically, because I'm not keeping anything here. I'm being transparent. So it's all about trust, okay? Now, just please hit the subscribe button. Let's quickly move on. Hit down. Yo, shakara too much. Hit the subscribe button. Let's move on. Shakara too much. Alright, so here we are on the interface of the app. So let's go and place our withdrawal, and hopefully we are going to get paid, right? So now let me just quickly head over to where I'm going to withdraw, and I just hope this works, honestly. So as you can see, these are the notifications. People are getting paid. So let me just quickly, okay, here's my account balance. Then now you can see that I'm eligible to withdraw because I've met the threshold. Now below that's going to be where we are going to input our bank details. So let me just quickly input mine right there and just save it. Then now, after saving it, it's time for us to go and actually put in the amount we are going to be withdrawing. Now, as you can see, it says successful, the payment of that been said. So now, this is where we're going to put the amount that I'm going to withdraw. Now, it seems they have a policy whereby you cannot withdraw everything that you currently have. Because I think so, okay? There they go. They say I cannot withdraw everything at once. So let me just quickly reduce the amount I'm going to withdraw. Let me just reduce the amount. Let me just say 134,000, right? Then let me click on the next, just click on withdraw. So that is it. We've placed the withdraw. As you can see, it shows that the repayment is going to be processing. I just hope this really works. But what is really giving me concern right now is I noticed that after I placed my withdrawal, the balance I have on my account has not really changed. It's still showing 104 thousand naira, right? So ideally, it's supposed to change. It's supposed to, reduce, showing that I have withdrawn from it. But let's just hope that they actually pay. Now I know this money have not dropped into my OPay account yet, and there's only one way for us to find out if this platform actually works, and that is if it actually pays me. And currently, I cannot keep you guys waiting. I cannot keep you waiting for you all to see the process of. So for you all to see if the money actually dropped into my account. So what I'm going to be doing is that I am going to just wait for like 3 days. Then I'm going to post the updates as a YouTube post on my channel. So you are going to see if it actually paid me or not. So that is one of the main reason why you should subscribe, because I know there are a lot of make money online platform, and most of them can be scams. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing in this channel is that I'm going to be actually trying them out, and anyone that pays us, fine. But one thing I will not do is I will never ask you to put money inside, and I will not put money inside myself. So we are going to be doing this, all of it, for absolute free. So trust me, you don't want to miss out on more video, because trust me, I'm more like a hunter. I'm going to keep on hunting, and of course, legally, no illegal stuff. Okay, so until we meet again, peace. Oh yes, before I go, as you can see, it has been long since I uploaded on this my channel, so please pardon my long break, and just please hit the subscribe button. Until we meet again,